Hello YouTube! Even though, well, at this point it's probably more like hello to the two guys who accidentally clicked on this video, because, well, this is actually the first video I'm ever posting on YouTube, so there's probably not a lot of people who follow this right now. Regardless, if for some reason you found the title of the video appealing, or maybe the hashtags, well, welcome to the first video of my little show here, and you're probably wondering, what's that all gonna be about, right? And I had this idea because there's going to be a bit of a change coming up in my life, right? So I've accepted a new job position, which is basically right at the intersection of IT and management. And I figured, well, this world is kind of developing towards where all of our jobs are kind of involved with IT. And I figured, people might want to know what this is all about, right? So how can we integrate information technology and those amazing advances that we've made as a species, and that for that matter, throughout the last 30, 40 years, probably more like 20 years when it really took off, also in private computing. How does that all relate to what we do, and how does that transform our daily lives? Our jobs, but also our private lives. So I thought I'll bring you a video right from the daily action, because starting January of next year, which now is just a couple of days off, I'm going to be starting a position as an IT service manager, so right at the intersection of where business meets IT for the global network of quite a large German company. So I'm pretty sure that I will be able to tell you a lot of different things of what really matters in the practical world of IT. And apart from that, I'm planning on providing you with a lot of news and updates in the world of information technology, as well as a lot of news and updates in the world of, how to manage this and how to bring the services to the clients and customers, so how to actually capitalize on all that. And since IT touches so many aspects of our everyday life, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of different things that we can talk about. And of course, you'll see this is a full-time position I'm following. So I can't do like an hour-long video every day, because that would, involve editing, and, I do have to think of the topics a little bit beforehand, I guess, so they're, of a quality that you would enjoy watching. Anyway, it involves a lot of time, right? So during the weekdays, I'm planning to have like just those short snippets, a little bit of an update of what happened on that day. And then on the weekends, I'm planning to do a bit of a longer segment where we can deep dive into some of the topics that are currently hot, right? So that might involve some book reviews. I've read some very interesting books on the topic in the past couple of months, actually, in order to prepare for this role. But it can also be a deep dive into some of the technology that right now is interesting for a lot of different companies that people are working with, and that can transform the way that we provide data and services to our clients and customers in the end, right? And I'm inviting you to come with me on this journey, right? In order to do that, hit the subscribe button below. Feel free to leave a comment. I'm pledging to read every comment ever under any video that's ever out there. Depending on how successful this channel gets, this might be a tough thing to do. But honestly, I do want to read all of your comments and your thoughts. We're going to be discussing a lot of different things, a lot of different technologies, and I'm sure that if you're in the same industry, you will have a lot of thoughts on that technology as well. And I would love nothing better than a discussion to emerge from that, right? So that we can all share in the wisdom that all of us have, and therefore grow with every video. Thank you so much for watching this first one. I know it's probably a little rough around the edges. I promise I'll get better at all of this video editing stuff as we go. But yeah, thank you for having this first experience with me. See you tomorrow.